Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password for your Dropbox account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Dropbox once you have logged in. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply focus on how to change the password. Initially, at the top right next to the bell icon, you will see your profile picture or simply account. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are lots of options, but what we have to do is simply go to settings. Well, once you're on the settings page, you will be provided lots of tabs like general, security, notifications, apps and everything. Do note that we do want to change our password, so we need to go to the security tab. Once you are in the security tab, as you can see, here's security checkup, and just below it, there is password. And right next to it, here's a button like this that says change password. Simply click on it. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply enter your old password right here and enter your new password just below it. And once everything's okay, simply hit on change password. And guys, that is it. That's how you change password for your Dropbox account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.